the first thing I do in an immature organization is go around and figure out what people hate the most. What, where do you come into work every day going, I never want to do this again? On Sunday, what do you dread? That's what I want to know because that's pain. That is the thing that if I take it away, now they feel it. Now I've got an advocate for all time. If I can take an organization's pain away, even if it's just a little pain, they felt it. And now that's an advocate. And so if I want to pitch another project, now it's not just me. Now it's not just me saying, hey, look how cool data science is. Now I've got, and if you don't believe me, ask them. Ask the VP or C level for marketing or supply chain or manufacturing. Ask them. We were able to deliver results. That's step one. Step two is talking to the board. And this is spooky if you are a solo data scientist to walk into a C-level meeting or a board of directors meeting. You're in danger. You're in shark-infested water, and you have 5 minutes. What you want to do is tell a story because they're going to feel that story. That's the story of the pain you took away. Talk about how one data point changed everything. This is the framework I give everybody. Tell me how one data point changed everything. Don't tell me about the machine learning. Don't tell me about the algorithms. Don't tell me about any of that. Tell me, for this one group, I provided them one data point or 3 data points, whatever it was, that first early, I took some pain away, and talk about how it changed everything for them. And what was that change? Put it in numbers. But it's a 5-minute story arc. Here was the problem that they came up with and how much they hated it. I gave them this data point or this report, and it changed everything. And then here's what happened. We reduced something by N or improved something by X. And that's your story, and that's it. And sit down, shut up. That's what they're going to remember is that story.